So, what we have now is we're going to assemble our Caprese salad. And I'm only doing it for 2 people. A friend of mine's coming over. We're going to have just a light snack before we go out. So what I'm going to do is I have my vine-ripe tomatoes. So I picked off one of these, which probably should be plenty for 2 people. You know, if you were going to have it as a meal, maybe you'd want to do 1.5 tomatoes. But what we're going to do is we're going to slice the tomato. And we also have our our mozzarella ball. The one that I get in the store is already pre-sliced. They also have ones that are the fresh mozzarella that you can slice. So you want to kind of keep your slices to about a quarter to a 1/2 inch thickness. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take a couple of slices of your fresh mozzarella, and you're going to combine with a slice of tomato and a slice of mozzarella. Slice of tomato, slice of mozzarella. Tomato, and then mozzarella. We might just throw one more slice of tomato on there. What we have also is fresh basil from the garden. I'm just going to make this. Anytime you use anything out of your garden or somebody else's, you want to rinse it off and then pat it dry. So the trick to getting basil cut really nice, and what they call it in the culinary terms is chef renard, is you want to basically take your biggest leaf and you want to put your smaller leaves inside. Try to arrange them by the size that you have. And that's probably, I'm going to do one more. And the basil just smells really great. So what you're going to do now that you have your basil all layered up on top, it's like a little mini boat, then you're going to take and you're going to roll the basil up. And then hold your finger down on it. Let me see if I can get that. And then you're going to take your knife and make really small slices. By doing that, you get these little pieces, and that's what you want to put on your tomato basil. So what we're going to start off with now is we're going to start off with a little salt and pepper. And then we're going to get our balsamic that's nice and cooled. And we're just going to drizzle it right on the top. You don't want to put too much, as this will overpower. That looks good. And then lastly, take some of that fresh basil. And then put it on the top. So voila, there you have it. Nice fresh tomato basil mozzarella salad, also known as Caprese, with some homemade balsamic reduction. Enjoy.